This is the video tutorial that will give you instructions to help you remove the ransomware called Chip. This ransomware, by the way, is from the Medusa Locker family. My video will be strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any complications. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Chip may be very easily injected into the computer. So the ransomware encrypts files and damages the files. Consequently, it is impossible to open the files. The ransomware also then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. You should not waste your money, and you should not pay the ransom. So as you see, the ransomware also changes the desktop background and it appends this Chip1 extension to the file names. It also reveals the ransom note in the form of recovery readme.html file. The ransom note tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom surely is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. To remove this horrible ransomware called Chip, I recommend you to use the program called Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and eliminate all other types of infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on the system. So use Combo Cleaner to get your files well, not restored, of course. Combo Cleaner does not restore files, but it will help you to protect your files from being damaged or encrypted in the future. And also it will help to protect your system from all other types of threats that may periodically attack your device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.